beautiful sight. It is like 6:45 in the morning on a Sunday in late July. Welcome back to another episode of Small Time Outdoors. Today we are fishing a tournament. Tourney Sunday. We are on Mille Lake up in central Minnesota. And we're out fishing for smallmouth bass in my high school's virtual tournament league. So the tournament is from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Best 7 bass. This is people fishing in lakes all over the state. So it's not just on Mille Lacs, but we chose Mille Lacs because we know there's big bass here. And hopefully we can get into a few. Hooked up, first smallie of the day. Oh, he's a freaking tank.
Really?
Yeah, he's nice.
Let's go, dude.
Oh my God, that is a stud. That is a stud. Let's go. That is a stud. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he'll do.
All
18.
18 and a quarter. Can't be that bad.
Hey, 3.46. Let's go,
dude.
19th place with this beautiful smallie. Let's get him back.
Go, baby.
There he goes. 6 more of those will do it. Man, he didn't fight that hard, but he was also in 9 feet of water, so.
Straight up.
Dude, give me some. We're half hour into the tournament and we finally hooked up. We were getting a little antsy there, but we got him. Let's get it. Okay, well, that's a fish. Yeah, absolutely. Well, he might not. Yeah, it's just. Okay, yep, throw him back. An unmeasurable fish, that is an issue I didn't think we'd ever have out in here in Mille Lacs. But little ones have to eat too. Hooked up again. Oh man, yeah, he came off. That's a shame. That was a nice one.
Giant.
God, that hurts. Ouch. It hurts when you lose big ones like that. It's about time to throw top water. Big. What is it? It is 8:43. It has been an hour since we put a fish in the boat.
Welcome back, folks. Tourney's going a little slow. This is what you do when there's literally nobody on the lake and someone decides to come and fish right next to you. You just tie on your drop shot with your 3/8 weight.
Fish right in their spread.
Fly.
Fish right in their spread. All right. Slump Buster Rooney. Talk to me, Evan. What do we got?
Running right at the boat right now.
All right. Where do you want me? You want to switch spots?
Just stay there.
Well, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Yep. Just like that. He's not huge.
Right,
Yeah, he's not huge, but he's another fish. Nice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Let's go. That's 15.
All right.
He'll go down as 15 and a quarter.
All right, give me a second here. We're at 58th place with 5.39 pounds of bass.
There we go. I'll let him go then.
All right, send him back.
Woo!
Evan, you want to hold up to the camera what you caught on the world's Minnesota's
Almost
best
a 6. Almost
smallmouth fishery?
Almost a 6-incher.
God, that is a 4-inch smallmouth bass out here on Mille Lacs. It is. What time is it, Evan?
10:25.
It is 10:25. We've got 2 fish, 2 measurable fish in the boat.
I'm gonna let him go.
Yeah, let them go.
Let him go. Let him grow.
No kidding. All right, well, we need to make a move. It is like 11:15, 11:30. We only have 2 smallies in the boat. This is actually pathetic. Keep in mind, me and this kid came out here mid-July last year, put on a 31-pound bag of smallies in this very area. And I know every day's a different day, but we are striking out embarrassingly today. So, oh well. Marked up. Nice fish. Oh my God, he's bulldogging.
Where do you want me? Where do you want me?
Doesn't matter yet. This fish hasn't seen the boat. Oh my God. I'm getting nowhere with him. I'm getting nowhere with him, bro.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God. That's a nice fish. I'm gonna kill a trolling motor. Alright, get on this side. That's what I'm talking about right there. Man, not even that big, but God, did he fight so hard?
Oh, dude.
Unreal. That's a 3-pounder. Like, yeah, decent fish, but man, they fight so hard in this lake. 17 1/4. All right, sweet. Oh, he's decent. He's decent fish. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Just like my last one, dude. It's perfect. Another 16, 17 incher.
Put the anchor down right now.
All right.
Spot line.
He'll do 16. All good. Do you want to pick?
Sure. Am I good to let him go?
Yep. I mean, it's like just a small little school in here. I'm not even sure how thick they are in here. We hooked 2 of 5 that we've seen in the last 10 minutes here. Nice fish. Oh, me. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. God.
You see it?
No. I don't know how big he is.
I watched that thing. Oh, sick.
Oh, he's nice.
He's
He's a decent fish. Eagle flew, dude. The eagle flew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
almost sick.
Ain't that big. Jeez. 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 Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, that's a nice one. He'll do. Why is he going away from the boat? Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Get that net ready. Oh, that is a nice one. Oh.
Sorry.
Get him. That's a pig. That is a pig. Oh, that is a pig, bro. Holy freaking smally.
That'll bump us up a few places.
Yeah. That's what Mille Lake is all about. That is an 18-year-old fish right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Alright.
20 1/4. Throw him in the net.
Alright. Sweet. According to every smallie sampled in this lake over 20 inches is about 20 years old. That doesn't sound right, does it? No. But that's what he says the tags say, so I don't know. Well, he's biting it for a while. Man, are we really gonna have to slave this hard for bites, dude? Oh, he's staying down. I don't think he's that big, like compared to the last one, but he is nice. Yeah. This is sheer weight. Jesus. All right, heads up, it's coming. you sure?
Yeah.
Really? No, it's not.
No, maybe not.
It's not the same fish. Another tank. Just a beautiful Mille Lake Smalley. This is exactly what this lake is about. And there she goes. She is gone, baby.
Let's go.
Give me some real quick. All right, let's get back in there. Hopefully we can get at least just one more. We got 6 fish in the bag. We need 7. Hopefully she pulls through. Man, we got all kinds of friends to fish with. Don't we, Evan?
Yeah.
People like us. 20 minutes to get one more. It is definitely way too late to hook up on a fish. I mean, we're down to the last 30 seconds of the tournament. Yep. All right. That's all she wrote. Good deal.
Successful tournament.
Very good deal. That was fun. So that's a wrap. We got 25th out of roughly 150 boats. We had a pretty decent ending for how we started. We had a pretty fat lull in the middle, but
It's that midday slackers.
Yep, we had to find him. We had to move around, locate some fish, and we found some. A couple nice ones, a couple really nice fish, but we just couldn't quite pull out the bag, and that would have made a big difference between 25th and, you know, who knows, 10th place. But I had a very fun time. Did you have a fun time?
Oh, I had a blast.
It was awesome. It was a great time. Got to get the duo, the high school duo back together, and last high school league tournament together. Yeah.
Moral of the story, when a boat shows up with a wrap on it, follow.
Yep. Where he goes, there will be bass.
That's about it. That's all I got.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in another episode of Small Time Outdoors.